how to delete your PrizePicks account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your PrizePicks account. So as you can see, I'm on this article right over here where it says, can I deactivate my account? And it says yes, members can delete their account if they no longer want to play on the PrizePicks platform. So if you want to delete your account, what you'll have to do is basically navigate towards the settings page using the menu which is on the top left corner of your screen. Now once you've done that, you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and then select the option delete account, which will be in red letters. Now once you've done that, you'll have to basically select the reason as to why you are deleting your account, and once you've done that, once you confirm it, you'll have successfully deleted your PrizePicks account. And if you decide to give PrizePicks another try later on, you can simply reactivate your original account. So that is basically how you delete or deactivate your PrizePicks account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.